What's up, YouTube? This is Power Surge. I'm in Las Vegas for the holidays, and I have to tell you about Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency crash that I believe is happening. So people are automatically going to thumbs down this video, some of you, because you have high hopes and dreams for cryptocurrency, right? You want to make a lot of money, you have made a lot of money, you have faith in it, okay? And I understand that, but there's bubble cycles that occur in a lot of different assets over history, and people cause the bubbles. Right now there is a bubble in Bitcoin, and I believe it's about to burst. So a couple days ago I posted on my Facebook to friends and family that I gratefully respect people who in the crypto community, and I'm very happy for everyone who's made money, but that I have personally decided to withdraw all of my Bitcoin Cash and about 75% of my Litecoin, because I have done well. You know, I basically took a couple $100 in referral money and was able to turn it into like $6,000 just by moving it from one crypto to the next over a few months. And I work hard, you know, and $6,000 is enough for me to travel the world for or to travel Asia for 6 months. And I don't want to risk losing that money. Maybe it's because I've traded penny stocks and stuff like that, that I really understand the pain of being hit by something crashing. But I took my money out of Litecoin, most of it. I have a few for the future, in case it does rally. And I hope it does. I hope everyone gets so much richer off cryptocurrencies. But I personally don't believe it's going to happen, and I want to show you this chart. And this was part of the post I made on Facebook, and I've actually overlaid the chart. So I'm going to show you the first one is going to be just the market cycle, and you've probably seen this one. It goes through the cycle of the smart money, and then the media gets in, and the public, and the greed, and all those things. The second one is the chart for Bitcoin currently. Actually, it's about 2 days old. But the third picture is an overlay of those two. So feel free to pause it on those pictures, take a close look. But it's very obvious from the third picture, especially where I just layered the two, that Bitcoin is crashing. And this is at least in my opinion, Bitcoin is in the denial or bull trap phase. So as you guys probably know, Bitcoin went to almost $20,000, and it literally took less than a month to get from $9,900 to almost $20,000, about $19,000. That took very little time, and as the chart shows, the boosts in Bitcoin are rallies. With the corrections, we've had much more condensed and larger rallies in the short term recently. So the rallies have been getting bigger and happening faster, and this is a sign of the hockey stick pattern, which you can see from those pictures. But I believe right now that a lot of people are going to get hurt when Bitcoin crashes, and I wanted to let you guys know. And I don't want to spread fear, uncertainty, and doubt amongst anyone or the community, because Bitcoin has done a lot of great things for people, but I do want to alert you guys to what I think is the end of this bull run with cryptocurrencies, at least with Bitcoin. And some other foundational things we've seen, obviously, as Bitcoin has grown in popularity, it has become much more difficult to transact in. Transaction times are taking longer, and there's a lot more fees. Fees are higher. So, you know, it's not scalable. And we also have, you know, if you look into the past, if you really think about it, Visa, MasterCard, these companies have been doing cashless payments since like the 80s. They've thought of cryptography and these kind of payment systems before. You know, this is not entirely new material. So I'll show you, I'll put a link in the description that shows like writings on cryptocurrency or crypto cashless payments going back to the 80s, okay? And, you know, to be honest, somebody sent me money with PayPal the other day, and it went through instantly. If they had sent me Bitcoin, right now it would have taken like a day or a day and a half, because transaction times are so long. So it's clear to me now that it's not going to work as a new money. It's not the future of money. And when I posted my warning to people, a lot of people, you know, commented the denial type of mentality. They said things like, you're comparing Bitcoin to other markets when Bitcoin is not like anything else that's existed before. And that's like a sure tell sign that this is like the denial phase. Like, people see an obvious giant red candle. They can see that even if you zoom out the chart, which some people are doing, they zoom out the chart and they say, oh look, if you just zoom out and draw a line to 100,000, this red candle doesn't look like anything. That doesn't justify the red candle, and it's still definitely a huge, we've broken all sorts of support levels. It's not good. Bitcoin is clearly not looking good right now, and you know, if you try to buy in, this may be the bull trap. This may be where it rallies for a little bit into the near future, and then we're going to see an epic crash. And I want to warn you guys too, when Bitcoin has crashed or rallied a lot, I have tried to buy and sell sometimes on Kraken or Coinbase, and I couldn't. The websites go down or you can't log in. So if it does crash really dramatically, you may not be able to sell easy, and the price may drop a lot. So I just wanted to warn you guys, but don't freak out, but maybe situate yourself properly or take profits if you have made a lot in crypto. I personally took like a bunch of money, and I'm going to enjoy it next year with it. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe. Go ahead and smash the like button. Leave me a comment. Please let me know how you feel about Bitcoin right now. Other people in the last few days are starting to kind of agree with what I've thought, that it is crashing, and so let me know what you think. And as always, Happy New Year. Have a great day.